Hi, I'm Dana Murchison, and I'm a staff scientist here in the Body Zone at Science North. Good evening, and welcome to the 2011 Microbes debate. Canadians must make an important decision at the polls, and every vote matters. That's right, it's time to choose the official microbe of Science North. In 2009, the state of Wisconsin elected an official state microbe. Now, Science North is choosing the microbe that will represent us. To qualify, they must each be a microbe, an organism so small that it cannot be seen without the help of a microscope. They must also be harmless to humans, most of the time. I'll introduce the candidates. Representing the region of the large intestine, we have Escherichia coli. Representing the muscles and brain, Toxoplasma. Representing the digestive tract, Candida albicans. Representing the skin, nose, and throat, we have Staphylococcus aureus. And finally, representing the skin, we have P. acnes. Our candidates will be asked to answer the question, what do you offer to the human voter? Our first speaker will be E. coli.
I'm not as bad as people think. Most strains of E. coli are harmless, and we take up space in your gut so that nastier bacteria can't move in. Plus, I produce vitamin K right in your guts, where it can be useful.
Thank you. S. aureus?
E. coli wants you to vote for him because he's so kind and gentle. But is that really what you want in an official microbe? I'm a strong candidate who will fight for you, or at least in you. My name means golden cluster seed, and my resplendent gold pigment helps me evade attack. About 20% of people already have me living in their bodies with no issue. Isn't it time to give me a chance?
Do you really want a candidate as strong as S. aureus? Some of its strains have developed a resistance to antibiotics and are a major issue in our hospitals. I, on the other hand, live peacefully in 80% of human bodies. I've also innovated exciting variations on the boring old rules of DNA. Plus, I'm related to the kind of yeast that produces important food like bread for Canadian food.
What about the infections you can cause in different parts of the human body?
That's only if the microbalance of the body is already upset. Vote for me. I'm a real fun guy.
Want someone who's just a fun guy. I've helped to push the boundaries of science. One of my genes was once mistaken for a human gene. This mistake is one reason for the exciting Human Microbiome Project, which will sequence the DNA of all the microbes that live in and on the human body.
Thank you. Toxoplasma?
Yeah, so the other candidates' platforms all sound the same to me. Do you want the same old, safe, boring microbes representing you? Or do you want a microbe who offers something different? I could actually change people's behavior and cause them to become fearless! About 30% of the world's population is infected with me already and doesn't even know it. Isn't it time you started living?
Thank you to all of our candidates. Now that you've heard their platforms, it's time to make your decision. Please click on the link below to make your voice heard.